Hi everyone, welcome to the presentation at Smart Entrota 2019. Our topic for the presentation is Smart Tourism. This topic is presented by Deepak Tyagi, Vipin Gautam, Alok Maurya and Gaurav Yadav. Now coming to the introduction to our presentation at Smart Tourism, the smart concept is used in every field like smartphones, smartwatches, smart TVs, and mostly every electronic devices nowadays. Smart means not just using technology, but it's somewhat to implement the technology for the better society. Similarly, smart tourism is not dissimilar to this. I see it as being about the impact of digital applications on enhancing the quality of the visitor's experience. Now, coming to the problems that are faced nowadays for the tourists. First of them is guides. Local peoples are not well trained to serve as guides, thus they cannot satisfy the curiosity of the travelers. Then next is destination. While the tourist is researching about the destinations where to travel, our destination must be competing for the various visitors' attentions and need to provide persuasive evidence that our destination are worth visiting. Then coming to the next problem is safety. This is one of the main concern issues of the tourists, especially foreigners. There are no smart solutions still now for the safety issues. Various other problems are easy to understand from our solutions that we have created. Now, coming to the solution part, as our solution, a smart tourist ecosystem including solution to various problems will be created. In simple words, we can say that we will create a website that will contain the solution to all our problems. Now, for the first solution that we have created is remote check-ins. We will provide travelers with the option to do the check-in prior to arrival of their hotels of choices. We will check his or her authenticity, tokenize the credit card, and securely send the information to the hotel upon arrival. The guest can check it with a smile. We will securely send the information to the hotel. Upon arrival, the guest can check in with a smile and go directly to the room. Next solution is Assess and Pay facility. An IoT wearable is used to store travelers' ticket to different venues and it allows its holder a fast track access. He or she can also use it to securely pay for the services inside the ecosystem, avoiding the risk of credit card cloning. Then coming to the next solution is family safety. We give families the option to include child loss alarm and securely messaging operators inside the ecosystem to speedily recover their missing child or anything that is lost. Now coming to the next is tour predictor. We will predict the best tourist destinations based on the various factors like dates chosen, most viewed places, present weather conditions, and reachability. With the help of machine learning technology, these predictors will help to get the best possible tourist experience here in our ecosystem. Next is Indian showcase. As we know, India is very rich in culture and heritage. We will promote various Indian handicrafts and local artifacts, clothes and jewelries etc. associated to various tourist destinations respectively so that it will increase our economy as well as provide a better platform for tourists to buy items rather than being exploited by some local vendors. Next is smart communication. A direct communication link is being set up between tourist and customer care centers so that they could get correct information about various things besides being misguided by localites for the sake of money. Next, and one of the important, is paperless travel. We will provide all the informations about all the places in our ecosystem online so that the tourists have not to buy travel guides for every visiting places, which can also be translated to various languages. This will help to initiate less use of paper in our country. Then next is a smart feedback mechanism. A smart feedback mechanism is made that will take data from the user through the journey, such as travel experiences, sightseeing photos, and other comments about the places. This data will help the other users to create a better understanding and provide real-time information about the tourist spots. Next is the here we will talk about the tools which are required to create this ecosystem. Coming to the softwares, we will use Windows 10 as operating system and other softwares like PyCharm, Internet Explorer or Chrome, Notepad or Visual Studio. Coming to the hardware, we will require a hard disk not less than 50 GB and a RAM of 4 GB, graphic card of 512 MBs and an x64 based type processor. Now, technology used that we will the technologies that we will use to make this ecosystem. For the web development, we will use HTML, CSS, PHP, and Bootstrap. For some programming works, we will use Python. And for various prediction algorithms, we will use machine learning. And for the file frameworks, we will use Django. Now, this section will tell you about the research that we have done. We have researched over various websites related to the tourism and find out the problems that can be solved by the use of technologies. We researched over various feedbacks given by the travelers, took out their problems and tried to solve them. Now, the data sets that we have used. We have used various data sets regarding the documents and the machine learning algorithms. Some of them are hotel location datasets, hotel review datasets, tourism package datasets, tourism spot disaster datasets, and most visited places datasets. Now, coming to the end, this is the project architecture that we will use to develop our project. Here admin will add the tourist spot and various specifications related to tour are given in this architecture. Then the tourists can search to the various places and hotels, etc. Various other information related to hotel like hotel IDs, address, state, districts, landmarks, etc. are provided here. So we have come to an end of this presentation. Thank you for watching.